Hello my lovelies, I've just washed my hair and I want to show you some products that I usually apply after washing my hair, and I want to tell you something about this range from Tsubaki. You know that I bought this Korean skincare, I don't know, in January. I don't remember when I showed you the unboxing, but you know that I've tested them for the first time with you, and I have been using them since I bought them, and I can say that I like them so much. You know guys, I was so surprised about these products. It's not a very expensive range, and you know that I was so curious to try Korean hair care because I love Korean skincare and I really enjoy using them guys because they are so good. They have a lot of good ingredients. The shampoo cleans very well the hair, doesn't leave it dry, which I love because I have blonde hair. My hair is so dry, so easy to break. The conditioner guys, I think I used a lot of this. I think I have this much product because I use it every time when I wash my hair. I use the mask as well, but I can say that the conditioner I use often because it's easier, you know. I usually leave the conditioner on the hair 10 minutes, 15 minutes. The mask I usually leave it more, you know, maybe 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes when I have time. But because I wash my hair I think twice a week, sometimes I can use once the conditioner and once the mask, but sometimes I can use twice the conditioner, you know, because I'm in the rush and stuff like this, you know, life is happening. I don't always have time to stay with the mask and to make myself beautiful and to care more about my hair and everything, you know, because we are girls, we are women, and we always have a lot of stuff to do. So I love so much the mask as well. You know guys, the mask is so good. It hydrates more than concealer, of course, because this is thicker, but they are both very good guys, and I used a lot from the mask as well. So I think I will buy them again because I love them so much. And if you remember, I also bought this oil, which is a treatment, ampoule treatment from Healing Bird. I don't know what brand is this. So this is so good guys because it has a lot of oils. I don't use it on dry hair because it makes it heavier. I don't like to use every oil on my dry hair, but I can use it on wet hair, and I also can use it with the mask or with the conditioner. When I'm applying the mask or the conditioner and I leave it on the hair, you know, to work, I can sometimes apply from this oil as well. Like I'm just spraying it on the hair while I have the mask or the conditioner, if I want my hair to be more nourished, because I saw that this works like this as well. But I'm going to show you today how I apply it on my wet hair, okay? So let's take my hair off from this turban. I washed it like always. I shampooed it twice, then I applied the conditioner and a little bit of this oil. I left it for 20 minutes I think, then I rinsed very well the hair. I dried it in this turban like for 50 minutes, and now I'm going to apply, you know what, I'm going to use this product now because I think I showed you when I bought it, but I never talked about it in my story. I almost finished it. It's from Bubble & Bubble Hairdressers Invisible Oil Heat UV Protective Primer, Sublime Pre-Style for a total transformation for dry to very dry hair. Looks like this. This is a mist of many wonders. Softens, detangles, defreezes, tames flyaways, easy styling, protects against breakage, heat styling and UV damage, spray on damp or dry hair, comb through and style. So I used it every time after washing my hair like a leave-in because it has a really thick texture. Looks like this. Oh my god, I applied too much, I think, or not? Okay, smells so good guys. It's not like a leave-in, you know. It hydrates very well the hair, protects it from the hot tools, it detangles my hair. I love it so much guys. I highly recommend it to you. And it has how many milliliters? 250 milliliters, so it's a big quantity. As you see, it lasted me so many months, so I think it worked. I'm just doing like this, and then I'm going to apply the oil. Sometimes I use this oil and sometimes I use this oil from Moroccan Oil, which is Moroccan Oil treatment for fine or light colored hair. Light, I love this product so much. As you see, it's in a very big quantity. 100 milliliter. I can use this or I can use both. A little amount from this. Let's apply a little bit of this. And a little bit of this. This is more like liquid. Oops. I'm doing like this and then spreading on the length of the hair. I'm going to apply a little bit more because my hair needs a lot of hydration. It hydrates very well the hair and nourishes it. You know guys, at the beginning when I bought this oil from Moroccan Oil, I used to use it every day on the ends of the hair, you know, to make them more smooth. Our ends usually are more damaged, so I was thinking that it helps, but you know what, I heard that some hairstylists say that it's not okay to apply oil every day on dry hair because it makes the hair more heavier and all the impurities from the hair sticks on the hair, you know, because there is oil. So I don't apply anymore this product on dry hair, but I apply it on my wet hair because I like it that it makes my hair so soft, really guys, and this oil smells so good. It's one of my favorites. So it is a unique ultralight formula rich in antioxidant argan oil that instantly absorbs into hair to immediately enhance manageability, shine and deliver long-term conditioning without leaving residue. Yes, it also gives shine to the hair. The hair smells so good after this product, and lately I use it only on my wet hair. Then I'm drying my hair with a hair dryer. I do a little blow dry and that's it, you know. These are all the products that I apply on my wet hair. As I told you, this one is more for a thermal protection and to hydrate the hair, and these are more to nourish the hair and also to hydrate.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say.
And this is the final result, guys. Look at this smooth, shiny hair. I love it so much because actually my hair is so frizzy. Not only because it's blonde, it's frizzy natural, and if I dry it natural or if I just dry it with a hair dryer like this, it looks so frizzy. And this way I usually style my hair. Of course it takes more, like 30 minutes, but I don't do this all the time. And you know that I like to hairstyle my hair like a professional hairstyle for my tutorials, and I like that style as well. But I can say that my favorite style when my hair is natural, like it doesn't have so many hairstyling products in it and it looks smooth, more hydrated, and I can wear it like this. or I don't know, something like this, you know. So I hope it was useful for you guys. Have a lovely day. Bye.